People who are lean and thin will also have snoring.
Yes.
But it's not that bad.
Yes.
Then comes the obstructive sleep apnea, which
Right.
is worse than those people. And
Yes.
the worst of all is obesity hypoventilation syndrome.
Exactly.
Wherein they will also have breathing difficulty even when they are talking or walking, and we can hear their breathing sound, something
Exactly.
like wheeze. They get easily tired. They feel
Correct.
breathless, even saying and talking to the people.